All right, all right. We back. 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 Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today we're swatching some of the Crayon Case matte lippies. They recently had a sale and they were all half off, and I think they're transitioning to new packaging. So hopefully the lippies that I got are not super old, but I got a bunch of new colors. I had the color Gumbo initially. That's that deep brown that basically matches my skin. I have it on right now and I coupled it with the yellow shade called Pablo, but I generally end up putting lip gloss over a lot of my matte lippies, but with these, if you don't want to, you don't have to. I haven't had the drying feeling like I do with some other matte lippies, so I'm super excited to have these and I want to share them with you. As you can see, I've been trying to create more colorful looks, and so these lippies will help me do that. I considered swatching them on my chest here, and I think that actually might be the best thing. So I think we're good if we just tilt it down and let's get started. The first color is this yellow color. It's called Pablo. It is thundering outside, so if you hear something, that's what it is. Pablo is rich and it is yellow, and we're going to put Pablo right there. I will also swatch them on my arm in the same order. There we go. We have Pablo. And what I really like about these is that once they dry down, they don't roll. They don't transfer to things that I'm eating. So that is amazing. The next color is this very fiery color called Jambalaya. It's kind of a mix of an orange and red, but it is very, very spicy looking. And hopefully my camera is showing you just how amazing this is. And if not, it is also here on my chest. The next color I have is pink, and it is called Hell City. And we will put Hell City right here. It's a very nice pink. The next color is more of a hot pink. It's called Holly Grove. I really like it. And I like that these are buildable. So if you put on one layer and you find that it doesn't pop the way you want it to, you can always add another layer. Next, we are moving to Lucci, which is the green color. I really like Lucci a lot. I can see myself creating a lot of green looks with Lucci. Very nice. We'll put it here. Then the one that I already had, Gumbo, it's brown. Like your roux should be. If you got a blonde roux, that's not a gumbo. And there we go. And then I have two more colors here. I have this blue that is presidential. I really like the names of these. Presidential is here. It's cobalt blue. It is bright. Honey, I love that blue. That is good. And then the last color, super beautiful, is a purple color, and it is called Weed Act. So what I'm gonna do is try to let these colors dry down a little bit and then show you just how matte these lippies really are. Look at that beautiful purple. So I'll come back in a couple minutes when they dry down and we'll talk about them. All right. We back. So my lippies have dried. I tried to only do like the consistency of one layer just so they could go ahead and dry. And they are dry. They're dry on my arm. They're dry on my chest. And it's been about 5 minutes. So I got some paper towel here. I'm going to just lay it on my chest. Hold one side down. I'm just going to rub. Just do a little rub just to see if anything comes off. These are pretty matte. That brown that I wear, really matte. And no, not really. I can see a little tad bit of blue right there. But no, nothing came off. A little orange. So just a little bit. Now I'll flip it over and put it on my arm. It's kind of hard to pat my arm, but I'm going to do it. And nothing on this side. So then that got me thinking, how would I get it off? Would I rub oil on it or alcohol or what? And it does come off with both. If you rub oil and then use a makeup wipe, it'll come off. If you use alcohol spray, like if you put it on your body like I have an alcohol spray. I just spray it and then wipe it off. It's not really drying. After I wear it with the lip gloss for a little while, I do get a little something in the corner of my mouth. That's to be expected with the matte lippies, especially when you put lip gloss on top of them because you're not supposed to. But ultimately, I really like these. They were $6 each, so I went ahead and got a bunch of them. More than likely, I'm not going to be wearing like bright blue lipstick many places, but there will be a time when I want to spice it up a little bit and I'll have it. That purple is probably my favorite along with the brown. I'll give you the names of the colors once more. The purple is Weed At. The blue is Presidential. The brown is Gumbo. The green is Lucci. The pink is Holly Grove. The lighter peachy pink one is called Hell City. The orange one is Jambalaya. I really like this orange. I did try it on and it was a little too bold for me, but I will be trying to mix it with something else so that I can wear it. And then the last one that I have, the yellow, is Pablo. So let me know if you have these lippies, what color combinations you use, and if you have tried any of the other colors that I don't have. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace. Until next time, y'all have a good day.